In this chapter, let's quickly go through the process of deleting resources you no longer need in your cloud environment. One of the key benefits of cloud platform is flexibility. You can create resources when you need and delete them when you don't need. For the example, I no longer need my app VM, so let's delete them. So let's move to our all resources, and in the all resources, there are two ways to delete resources. Select individual resource and click the delete button. And second one is delete the entire resource group, which remove all resources within it. The resource group make managing and organize resources easier, and you can delete everything at once if needed. For the example, I keep the resource group intact for further deployment. Instead, I will select all resources. So click the delete. Now I will select the all resources and click to the delete. Now I will tick this box and write delete and press the delete button. After confirming the action, once the delete is complete, you will receive a notification. So always track the notification and verify that all resources are deleted. Sometimes due to dependency, some resource might not be get removed. If that happens, select those resources again and delete them manually. By ensuring resources are deleted, you avoid unnecessary cost from unused resources. And that's it for this. You now know how to delete resources efficiently in your cloud environment. See you in the next one.